Alright, something that's always bothered me is when I'm watching a movie or a TV, more and more lately it seems like the dialogue is quieter than like the music or the sound effects. So I feel like if I'm like turning up the TV and to be able to hear the dialogue, all of a sudden the music is like booming in my ears and it's just like way too loud. So you can actually fix that on most TVs through the use of the equalizer, knowing that human dialogue usually peaks around, I'm going to show you something. If I just camera here. So we're going to go into my personal settings. I'm sure you're going to find settings on just about any TV, but I'm going to go to the menu and then audio. I'm going to go down to equalizer, and you see these different modes. This is pretty much how my TV was when I first opened the menu. As you can see, it's kind of flat all the way through. Got 100 hertz, 300 hertz, 1,000 hertz, 3,000, 10,000. Humans can hear pretty much all the way up to 20,000, but this is kind of the range that the TV's playing. So dialogue kind of peaks right around this range. So for me, bright does quite a bit at maximizing the dialogue, or also I'm going to be trying center. That does quite a bit. So if you are one of those people that are wondering why dialogue is so much quieter than music when you're watching a movie or TV show, definitely open up your audio settings and take a look at this and you know, play around with it. I watched a movie on bright earlier today and it was awesome. So I'm actually going to be trying to go with center and just see how I do with that. So